Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay penalty for late filing of income tax return, updated. Start by calculating your tax due and the failure to file penalty using your return and any notices. Keep your account number and Form 1040 handy for payments. Choose a payment method that fits your budget and timing. Save confirmation numbers and proof of payment for records and possible future audits or disputes. Next, calculate penalties and interest so you know the total owed. Use the IRS percentages for failure to file and the current interest rate for unpaid tax, applied from the original due date to today. Include late payment penalties, if applicable, and subtract any payments or credits already posted. If you had an extension, adjust your timeline accordingly to avoid overstating the amount. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful tax guides. On another note, I use bento box leak-proof meal prep containers to save time on busy tax days and keep snacks safe during long filing sessions. Check the description for the link to that product and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Then pick a payment method based on speed, cost, and convenience. IRS Direct Pay lets you transfer from a bank account fee-free, while debit or credit cards process immediately with service fees. If cash flow is tight, apply online for a short-term or long-term installment agreement to spread payments. Always retain the confirmation or proof of payment and verify the payment posts to your account within a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.